Since the beginning of the current crisis, there have been many rumors, and one of them which I have heard, which I would like Hazur please to answer me, is that...
Are you come from the United States?
I'm an American citizen, yes sir.
When did you come?
From the United States?
Yes.
Well, my name is Abu Bakr Lad, and I came today to London, but I spent the last 2 months in Nigeria.
Yes. That's right. I wanted to find out, please, now. Please continue. Yes.
My question, sir, is this. The rumor that the way the story was told to me in Nigeria was that some time ago, some person in Pakistan had disappeared. I don't know whether he was a member of Jamaat or whether he was somebody else. In any case, that person has disappeared.
So many people disappear, so what? Why should I answer that question? It doesn't relate to me.
No, sir. The story that is told is that the people who are now instigating the current trouble are blaming you or blaming...
But your question belies this story because you said I don't know whether they belongs to the Ahmadiyya community or outside.
My question is this, sir.
You just said
that
I don't know whether the person who is supposed to have disappeared belongs to Ahmadiyya community or outside.
I don't know. You
said just now.
Yes.
So if that possibility is open, that allegation cannot arise because you couldn't have made an Ahmadi disappear.
Okay, now my question, sir, is this, because of that confusion in my mind. You have been accused, or the Jamaat has been accused, I have been told, by somebody.
Yes.
If this is so, if Pakistan had an Islamic justice and an Islamic republic,
yes,
what would have been the Islamic, the proper Islamic behavior, action of such a government if they in fact entertain such ideas?
You know, everything is un-Islamic about the whole story. If somebody has a right to allege, he must prove in Islam or he should be punished. So for 2 years, this story is being circulated, and the mullah says so and so has done some such and such thing, and they don't offer any proof. They are all just insulting people, of which they have no right. So had there been an Islamic state, they would have been punished thoroughly. Because according to Islam, if somebody alleges somebody to have say, committed what do you call it? Adultery or the other word, fornication. And he can't prove it. He would be lashed 80 times. This is Islam. It stands for the human respect. It stands for the respect of truth. It does not permit people to go on spreading rumors and lies about others. It, in fact, discourages such behavior so strongly that no other religion in the world can claim equality to this. Doesn't even come near Islam. So, talking of an Islamic state, if somebody had alleged, he would be made to prove or will be punished. And these people for the last 2 years have been propagating against the Ahmadiyya community and nobody punishes them. And they are still permitted to go on and on. So this is the most un-Islamic state. The most un-Islamic state of affairs. Yes, please.